What is up and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Justin, and a few weeks ago I put out the challenge to submit your best grip tape artwork or design, or even just a really clean grip tape job. And a bunch of you guys submitted some really nice designs. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing everyone's submissions, and I'm going to be asking your help to tell me which ones are your favorites. And so if you can, after watching everybody's submission, let me know your top 3 submissions just by writing in the comments the numbers of your 3 favorite. The 3 top submissions are going to be getting their names or an artwork request tagged in the DIY fingerboard skateboard park that I have on the channel a few videos back. And my personal favorite grip tape design submission is going to be getting their choice of a Obsius collab board, whether it be the Forbidden Watermelon Dragon or the Sticky Skates Gushers collab deck. I also wanted to say thank you and a big shout out to everyone who submitted a design. Everyone did such a great job. It is definitely not going to be easy picking a winner. So without any further delay, let's get right into the submissions.